Thank you, Allie. And from Ms. Stefanowski and Mrs. Jones, class representative, Scout Kester.
Hello, students, parents, and teachers. As some of you know, I'm Scout Kester. First, I'd like to say thanks to my class for voting for me to talk today. It's a real honor to be standing up here today to share my thoughts. Today, I would like to share some memories I will always remember from Turner Creek Elementary and important lessons you should always follow no matter where you are, no matter whom you are. There is one memory that stands out, and it is the field trip to Wilmington. I'm sure everybody agrees with me that was one of the best days of the school year, because it was a day from school when we went to fun places with friends. There was also field day, a day for kids to have 2 hours of fun playing with friends outside doing fun activities. Those are some memories that I'm sure every kid in here will cherish in the years to come. Now to move on to some lessons that I have learned over the years that will help you in middle school and life. The first lesson I would like to share today is be loyal to your friends. Always tell the truth with your friends, trust your friends, let them trust you, and listen to their ideas. If you do this, next year you will go into middle school with good friends that trust you and are loyal to you. The second lesson is if you see bullying, stop it, don't ignore it. Don't egg the bully on, tell the bully to stop or tell the teacher. And of course, don't be a bully. You should always be nice to everyone, even if they aren't your closest friend. If you do this, then you are helping make the school environment better for everyone. So always remember these lessons and remember your time here at Turner Creek Elementary. As I say goodbye, I leave you with this. Don't be afraid if things seem difficult in the beginning. That's only the initial impression. The important thing is not to retreat. You have to master yourself. Oh, and unicorns are awesome.
Thank you, Scout.